If you're managing more than one business or planning to launch a second venture, you might be wondering how to use LegalZoom for multiple businesses. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to organize, form, and manage more than one business using a single LegalZoom account. First, log into your account of LegalZoom at LegalZoom.com. If you already have one business set up, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. Now, to create a second business, click the Start New Business or Form a Business button. LegalZoom will walk you through the same process you used before, choosing your business structure, entering your new company's name and details, selecting your state, and choosing any additional services like an EIN or registered agent. Each new business you start will be treated as a separately entity. This means LegalZoom keeps your business organized individually within your bank, within your account. You will have separate documents, invoices, and support for each other businesses. It's important to keep your business information distinct when filing out the forms to avoid confusion between the entities. If you're managing several LLCs or corporations, LegalZoom's dashboard makes it easy to switch between businesses. You'll find each one listed under My Businesses, and from there you can download documents, manage compliance tasks, renew services, or get help from customer support specific to each business. LegalZoom also lets you use the same amount of account for services like trademark, registration, or legal advice across multiple businesses. Make sure you are selecting the right business during the setup process. Running multiple businesses through one LegalZoom account saves you time and keeps everything centralized. It's a great solution for entrepreneurs juggling more than one venture. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more LegalZoom how-tos and business setup tips. Got more than one business idea? Drop a comment below and I'll share how to prioritize and structure them for success.